Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are actually going snow drifting with my Mazda Miata. It is like a ice track day somewhere nearby, so we are going to check it out and hopefully get some good skids done in my WinterBeater, the Mazda Miata. I'm really excited to try this car out. It has a really good handbrake. It does not have a LSD differential, but nevertheless it's really fun to drift. And yeah, it's a tiny, like, cool car to skid around in. I really like it. So today we make a really good day to both learn and enjoy my new WinterBeater. Follow along for the journey, and also remember to subscribe and like the video for more. But now, let's go. Okay, first lap out, and it is extremely slippery, but a lot of fun, This car really can take a beating, and I really like that. And like the rev limiter, no problem whatsoever. Not that I try to like rev it a lot, but yeah, it's a really cool car, and I really like the sound and everything. And the only problem is that, once again, it is a little bit tiny, and with a helmet, it's a problem. I rub on the roof all the time, and that's not so good. But anyways, really good time, and time to get out for run number 2. super short. I mean, the wheelbase, it's so short, so it's really easy to just simply spin out. Oh, I see some smoke from the engine. I see some smoke coming from the front of my car. That's not good.
Very nice, very nice.
Good of you. Oh yeah, we survived. Yeah, I got a bit unlucky on that last run. No good. That's not how I want to treat my car. And nothing is broken. The only thing is the plate. But I can bend that out again, so it's no issue. So yeah, I'm really happy about today. Really fun to try out the Miata and learn how it is. Like I said earlier also, having a short wheelbase kind of car, it's hard to drift. I would prefer a long 5 Series or an E36 or something like that. They're much more controllable in while drifting. But it's fun either way, cool to experience some new stuff. But this car really caught my eye. Look at that. A black E36 compact. And I think it has a 3-liter from a E46 330. And those have like 231 horsepower. That would be dope in such a small car. And talking about the wheelbase, the compact actually have the same wheelbase as the coupe and the sedans. So this is a great drift car. It's just shorter in the rear, but it's a great car. It's so cool. Kör på!